Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is creamy leek and green chilli toasties. Just right for when you come back from the pub. And speaking of that, they're open in an hour, so let's hurry up. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. Okay, the first thing we do is sweat down the leeks. To do this, melt a knob of butter in a suitable pan, add the leeks with salt and pepper to taste, and cook off 5 or 6 minutes. By the end of the 5 minutes, you should have something that looks like this. Next, we toast the bread, and if you need instructions how to toast a piece of bread, there's no hope for you. And while the bread is toasting, add the double cream to the leeks and mix through well. Then when the bread is toasted, simply spoon the leek mixture onto the pieces of toast and spread out, as you see here. Then it's time to add the green chillies on top of the leek mixture. Now you might notice 2 of the pieces of toast don't have green chillies on. That's because my wife doesn't like chillies. When I found out about this unforgivable culinary faux pas, I should have run for the hills. But when we first met over 22 years ago, I looked into them beautiful soulful eyes of hers and she had me captured. Anyway, when you've dealt with the chillies, it's time for the cheese. This is simply put on top of the leek mixture, covering as much of the toast as possible. No, I didn't just say the thing about your eyes because I want to go to the pub. Then it's simply back under the grill until the cheese is golden brown and bubbling. How hard can that be? Hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it next time you come back from the pub. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. Finished. Can we go to the pub now?